Welcome guys. So today we are going to try to solve this IIT mains chemistry question that says the most abundant elements by mass in the body of a healthy human adults are oxygen 61%, 61.4%, carbon 22.9%, hydrogen 10%, and nitrogen 2.6%. So now we have the weight of the person, that is 75 kgs, and we have to find how much weight the person would gain if 1H atoms were replaced by 2H atoms. So we have the weight of the person 75 kilograms, and therefore the mass of 1H will be 10% of 75, that is 7.5. Now we're told that 1H is replaced by 2H. So the increase in weight will be equals to weight of 1H minus weight of 2H, that is 15 minus 7.5, that is 7.5. Because 2H, that is H is 7.5, so 2H will be 7.5 plus 7.5, that is 15. So now we have increase in weight equals to 75 kilograms. So if the 1H is replaced by 2H, the person will gain 7.5 kilograms, that is option A.